Tired of laggy audio ruining your winning streak? Ever missed a call during an intense game? Struggling to juggle game sounds and phone notifications? Or does your headset battery always die mid-session? Maybe your headset feels heavy after hours of play. Or your teammates complain they can't hear you clearly? Switching devices for calls and games is a hassle. Audio delays break your focus and cost you matches. Muffled sound effects ruin the gaming experience. Crackling microphones make team chat impossible. Long gaming sessions demand comfort and endurance. Constant charging interrupts your flow. Introducing the ASUS ROG Delta II wireless gaming headset. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Designed for seamless gaming and communication. Tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 2.4 GHz or 3.5mm wired. Switch between PC, console, and mobile in seconds. Ultra-low latency with ROG speed. Nova wireless tech, no more audio lag. Every sound is instant. DualFlow audio lets you hear two sources at once. Take calls while gaming, never miss a beat. Intuitive controls for effortless switching. 50mm titanium-plated drivers deliver rich, detailed sound. Hear every footstep, explosion, and dialogue crystal clear. Wide 20Hz, 20 kHz frequency response for immersive audio. 10mm super wideband boom mic captures your voice perfectly. Communicate clearly. No more, you're breaking up. Lightweight design for marathon gaming sessions. Comfortable even after hours of play. Up to 153 hours battery life in 2.4 GHz mode. 15-minute fast charge gives 17 hours of use. Multi-platform compatibility. PC, Mac, Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, mobile. One headset for all your devices. Let's compare old headset versus ROG Delta II. Old headset, laggy audio, missed calls, constant charging. ROG Delta II, instant sound, dual audio, epic battery. Old headset, heavy, uncomfortable, unclear mic. ROG Delta II, lightweight, comfy, crystal clear voice. Old headset, complicated switching, lost focus. ROG Delta II, seamless transitions, total control. Old headset, limited compatibility, device juggling. ROG Delta II, works everywhere, no hassle. Old headset, basic sound, missed details. ROG Delta II, immersive, balanced audio every time. Imagine gaming without lag or interruptions. Imagine taking calls mid-game, no stress. Imagine not worrying about battery life. Imagine one headset for every device you own. With ROG Delta II, it's all possible. No more switching headsets for calls and games. No more losing because of delayed sound. No more teammates asking you to repeat yourself. No more headset fatigue after long sessions. No more charging breaks ruining your momentum. No more missing out on critical in-game sounds. ROG Delta II keeps you connected and focused. Stay in the zone, whether gaming or chatting. Control everything with simple, intuitive buttons. Switch audio sources instantly. Never miss a moment. Enjoy balanced, powerful sound in every game. Communicate clearly, strategize better, win more. Lightweight build means comfort, even all night long. Compatible with all your favorite platforms. Long battery life means less charging, more playing. Fast charging keeps you ready for action. Upgrade your gaming setup with ROG Delta II. Experience the difference in every session. Don't settle for less. Choose the headset that does it all. Ready to level up your audio experience? Get the ASUS ROG Delta II wireless gaming headset now. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Game smarter, play longer, stay connected. ROG Delta II.